So hi class, now we're on to our second plate for the semester, which is divided into two parts. And so this plate will be a retail design. So like I mentioned, we are already done with residential design. So now we're on to retail design with emphasis on branding and visual merchandising. Okay, so for this project, it is a standalone women's wear clothing store, and then this is the first branch of the client, and the branding has not yet been fully established or developed yet. So as a designer, your input is very crucial in translating and developing the branding for the store's interior design. Okay, so you're tasked to learn about the nature of the store. So what is it selling? So part of your job is to read your literature regarding clothing and women's wear. And I assume you already did the previous teaching learning activities, the retail design activity and the visual merchandising activity. So I guess it would not be that, I guess you would already have a background about retail design at this point. Okay, so the requirements are the usual. We have the design narrative, and then it should be APA style with in-text citations and references, and then usual space programming with your mood board, color scheme, excuse me, adjacency studies, and the floor plan. And then reflected ceiling and lighting plan. Again, it is important for you to calculate the lighting. So the lighting would not be beyond what is required, or it would not be too glaring. And then furniture detail, you are required to furniture detail: one, isometric of the cashier or the point of sale counter, and then the second one is the isometric of the display shelf or furniture of your own choice. So please keep in mind, when you're doing a furniture detail, you should add the specifications of the finishes and of course the dimensions. Okay, and then you are also required a rendered facade elevation. So basically it's just an elevation, but you're going to render it. So in here you should be able to show the visual merchandising technique with emphasis on the window display. Okay, so I want you to create two window display schemes, one for summer and one for the December holiday season. And then next would be two rendered interior perspectives of your own choice, your own medium, whatever is available. And then the perspective should show and reflect the proposed branding scheme and the merchandising scheme. Okay, so it should show about 40% of the floor area. Okay, and then with regards to the area, it's up to you. Then pictures and the digital swatchboard. Okay, so I guess this plate will be due in a month's time. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay,